Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. In today's video I have a humongous collective Amazon haul, things that I've bought through lockdown, things to make my life a little bit easier, beauty things, art things, all sorts. It's a really good haul actually. I'm very happy with my Amazon purchases over the past few months. If you would like to see what I've been picking up and some Amazon essentials that you will need to add to your wish list, then please carry on watching. I've also made an Amazon shop, so you can go ahead and check that out if you would like to kind of have a look at all the things that I put together, things that I think are going to save you time, money, even some money maybe, and then also just get creative as well. So I will link my Amazon shop down in the description box below if you would like to go ahead and check that out. Before you carry on watching, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video so YouTube doesn't hide my videos from your subscription box. And let's just carry on with the video. Right, so the first thing I actually picked up is right behind me, right here. I'm exposing myself. These are tabletop studio lights. As you can see, I've kind of done a DIY and put a sellotape holder in front of them just because I film in a very small space, so if I lean on them they might fall back, but they are really sturdy. So these are tabletop studio lights. They are really amazing and I just wanted that kind of like halo effect around my head, and they're definitely affordable. They were around about £20, which I think is a really good price for like a YouTube investment, Instagram investment, that kind of thing. If you do blogging, they're really good and you can angle them and move them around. They're really small and compact as well. But yeah, this is what gives me that kind of lit up from behind look. At some point in the future I do want to get a bigger one, but just kind of trying to find one that like my head and body can cover, because otherwise it kind of sticks out, which is why I went for two very small ones. But I really like these and they've become my filming essentials. If you are a YouTuber, Instagrammer, blogger, that kind of thing, I would highly recommend picking some of these up. You literally just put them behind you on a little table and it lights up your whole background and just makes your videos look so much more professional. So massive thumbs up for those. This is in a completely random order, by the way. The next thing I actually picked up was an eyelash tint kit, just because obviously the beauty salons are still closed and they were going to be closed at the beginning of lockdown. We had no idea when they'd reopen. I picked these up, I want to say kind of the beginning of April, when like, okay, like guys, we're in proper lockdown now. Like now, do you know what I mean? So I picked these up. This is from a brand called Swiss Opar and I've got the prices up on my computer screen, which is why I keep looking down. They were £8.29. You can also get them in brown, which is slightly cheaper, but I'm assuming most people want to tint their eyelashes black. They worked really well. They also come with some eyelash kind of guards as well, so you don't get the tint all over underneath your eyes. I did actually film myself putting these on and using the tint kit, so if I have still got that footage I will pop it on the screen for you right here so you can see them live in action. But yeah, they're really good and I feel like when you tint your eyelashes with no makeup on you just feel so much fresher. So yeah, definitely recommend those. Right, okay. Next up is something super heavy just because I've filled it already. I got some like storage drawers. Oh my god. This is for the face mask, which is why it's so heavy. These were, I don't know how much these were, I'm gonna say like £20 or something, but you get two drawers with like the kind of rope put out handles. They're nice and deep and I filled it. I don't know if you can see through there, it's kind of difficult for me to show you, but I have filled it with face masks and I have this on my bathroom windowsill because I do skincare videos on Instagram. I do receive a lot of product, so there's kind of, I need some sort of storage space to contain it because I only have the one face. But if you are a skincare fanatic or just need some storage, these are really good, very sturdy as well. And yeah, you could even take the little drawers out of yourself and just use the baskets. I don't know, but yeah, I got these. Oh my god, it's a workout up in here. I also picked them up in white. Most of the kind of storage and everything like that in my room is white, so I'm just sticking to the theme. They're really good as well, so they come in white and black. I think I've seen grey, possibly. I'll link it down below and on my Amazon shop so you can check it out, but I really recommend these if you're just looking for extra storage to make things in your room look a little bit neater. And yeah, in these I've got my fake tan products at the bottom and then like hair stuff at the top. Next up, an essential, I got a huge bottle of micellar water. This one is 700 ml. I mainly use the micellar water to kind of cut the crease, so this will last me a long time, but if I am in a rush I can use it as my first cleanse. I do prefer a cleansing oil to take off my makeup before I go in with a natural cleanser, but if you do want just a quick first cleanse, you kind of really tired, just wanted to get into bed, this is your go-to. And yeah, so I picked this up. This is from Garnier, it's a trusted brand. This was £4.25, which is amazing. So now I'm stocked up for a long time. As you can see, I still have absolutely loads left, and I got this maybe like end of April, I want to say. So yeah, it's lasted me a long time. Can't go wrong with some micellar water, and going to Tesco's and things like that still kind of makes me a bit nervous, so I'd rather just order it off the internet where I'm going to interact with less people, if you know what I mean. So on the safer side, I picked it up online. Next up on the beauty theme, I got some hairspray. It does the job. It's nothing fancy. I don't know if this is like an Amazon own brand or just a cheap affordable brand. It's by a brand called Bristow's. It was £1 and 1p, and it's just a hairspray for natural flexible hold, 300ml. I don't use hairspray very often. It's just when I want my really big curls, I just kind of spritz it over just to make them last a little bit longer. When I was like 13, I used to spray it all over my hair and it would be like crunchy, so I won't go in with a lot of this, but it is handy to just have in your grooming collection. Ooh, we are also running on a theme. On the hair theme, I picked up the Garnier Ultimate Blend 3-in-1 Mask, the Wholesome Nourisher. This is in the scent Coconut Milk and Macadamia. This smells unreal. I've already used it once and you still have loads of product left, which is amazing. I just kind of wanted to look after my hair a little bit more. I've kind of straightened it and blow dried it today. It looks quite shiny. But where I can't really visit my hairdressers and like get a fresh trim, I just want to look after my hair and keep it in top tip shape. So I picked that up, and that was, it doesn't say the price on it, which is really handy. I think it was around £5, maybe £4, but yeah. And this will last you a long time. Definitely recommend the hair mask. I really want to try the banana one of this as well actually, but this was really good. Smells amazing and it really made my hair super soft. Next up on this kind of like gadgets, tools that make your life a little bit easier, I picked up this phone stand. Of course I got it in pink. You can get it in all sorts of colours. This is the rose gold. You can get it in black, silver, and a two-piece set of black, but it is like rotatable as well, so you can lift this up. Sometimes I have it like all the way down like here, and I'll put my phone on it when I'm having breakfast and like watch a YouTube video or a Netflix documentary or something like that. It's good for if you're on FaceTime or like a Zoom call with someone, and I just love this as well. And if you've got the thing on your phone where your face unlocks it to see the message, then you can just rest it on here and it will just unlock when you look at your phone. Do you know what? Out of everything I've picked up from Amazon in the past few months, this is what I've got the most use out of, and it was £12, and honestly, unreal. I put this by my bed, I put it everywhere, I take it upstairs for breakfast with me, like I said. I've got a lot of use out of this, guys. Like, you just literally just go like that. Boop. And if you want to watch something on your phone, you can put it that way as well. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, just for size reference. It still holds it. Nice and sturdy as well, so this is a top buy. Right, next up I got these like clear plastic sheet things. Some of them I've cut out, as you can see. So basically what I do for some of my Instagram videos is I'll cut out the plastic sheet and then just measure it on top of the light, and you literally just stick it on top of the light. So I'll show you this. Ooh, okay, this is really difficult to show you. Easy? No, okay. It's very difficult to show you, but essentially what that does is gives me that nice kind of coloured halo background. These are from Nua, which is a very trusted brand when it comes to photography. I got 8 of these for £12. They've been amazing. This is a photo here when I used the pink one, which worked really, really well. I was so happy with how this looked. So again, if you're into Instagram, YouTube, makeup creation, art, photography, these are really handy to have. So I've been wanting to do some more arty makeup looks, and I was really inspired to do like rhinestones and stuff, so I picked up these nail art rhinestones. If you type in nail art on Amazon, that's how you get all the cool little things you can put around your eyes. It comes with like little gold ones with a heart. I really want to try that. Some kind of gold and silver ones, just kind of your standard circular rhinestones. You can see these up close if you click on the Amazon link in my shop if you want to have a closer look at them. You also get more like diamond shaped rhinestones as well, which are really pretty, and these were only £8 for a 4-pack, which is amazing, and they have so many other different choices. So if you're wanting to do more like creative looks and get some inspiration for your makeup or scrapbooking, art, anything like that, these are really cool. Speaking of, I also got these ones. I don't know if you can see right here. I'll insert a photo for you just because I know you won't be able to see on camera. They are actually tiny little pieces of like fruit. They are so cute. I'm going to be doing a look inspired by one of the pieces of fruit soon. I just can't pick which one yet. Maybe the watermelon. I could do it to watermelon sugar from Harry Styles or something on TikTok. But I think these are so cute. They're currently out of stock when I'm looking online, but they have loads of other different ones. So if you click the link, then you'll be able to find other ones. They've got like flowers and like I think I've seen butterflies as well, but I feel like these just kind of add some inspiration to your makeup looks, and you can like create a makeup look surrounding the little pieces of fruit and stuff, and obviously they don't expire, so they're just going to be in like my Arty drawer for a lifetime. Finally, I'm just going to show you some other nail art bits I got. So I got these flowers. These are inspired by an Instagram artist called Echo. She's lovely. I've spoken to her in person, not in person, sorry, over Instagram, kind of cool. She's so lovely. I'll link her Instagram in the description box below, and she does these looks which kind of has started off a whole Instagram trend where you put like flowers above the cut crease, and I picked these up. So they're nail art flowers. I can't think of how much they are. Okay, they're £14, which to be honest, wow. Okay, so for £14 it's actually really good. You don't look like you get a lot, but they're all kind of stuck together. So you get some tiny little ones, you get ones with bigger petals, which I prefer, a mixture here, you get all sorts. These ones are really pretty, like pastel colours, and there's a red in there, so stunning. But again, inspiration for makeup looks. If you're into nail art, scrapbooking, these are absolutely perfect, and I can't wait to do some makeup looks inspired by these. Back to the kind of hair vibe. When I do skincare videos or makeup videos, that kind of thing, sometimes my hair, as you can tell, kind of gets in my face. It's very long, very fine, very straight, and just goes like in my face. So I needed some clips, but I didn't want to get that kink in my hair, and I've heard amazing things about these kind of clips right here where they're basically like completely flat. So all you do is just go bop, bop, and then your hair doesn't go in your face while you're doing your eye makeup, face makeup, skincare, that kind of thing. And they also look really cute as well. And I wanted to do some like pin curls soon, where you like curl your hair and then put it in a pin, and that way it gives that nice like retro look. These were £8.63 for 24 clips. They come in a lot of plastic, that's my only complaint, but they are really good, and once you've got them, you've got them. But this is just what example of what they look like. I think they're a Chinese or Japanese brand, I don't know. I can't read Chinese or Japanese, so I don't know what language that's in, but it says perfect hair accessory, makes you beautiful, which is very cute. And the pack I chose were white, pink and blue, but they do a pack as well which has black, pink and white, so there's a good selection there. But I think they're quite nice for Instagram videos and just kind of, I don't know, I think they look quite cute. So moving back to Instagram, YouTube filming, I picked up a new tripod. My previous one, I basically broke it. I was filming a nail video for IGTV, which was using this polish, but I've worn this polish for like a few days now, so it started to crack off. But my old one broke because I tried to move it to the other direction that it wouldn't move, so I picked this up. This one is amazing actually. It's got so many different like little things that you can change. It's still a little bit like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's good, it does the job, but it doesn't feel luxurious. But I don't really need a luxurious tripod. You can like push this up and down, which is really cool. It has a holder for your phone that it comes with, so you don't have to get a separate one, and it just hooks onto the tripod stand, so if you did want to put your actual camera on it, you could. It has a little spirit level as well, so you can see if the camera footage is actually straight, because it's happened to me so many times before. I filmed an Instagram video and my footage is like this. Which just looks a little bit strange. And then you can obviously like adjust all of this as well, so you just unclip this and it literally goes on for ages. I can lift that up for you, so you can extend it like so far. So if you wanted to film like TikToks or a YouTube video, anything like that, we've got to take it into your bathroom, or do you just wanted a higher tripod, this is really good. And it also came with a remote. This was only £18.36. That's so good. And it also comes with a little remote, so you basically just turn the Bluetooth on. It comes with the instructions in the pack, and you just Bluetooth your phone to this, and you can take photos with this button, which is unreal. So I can like properly lean back and get into like the halo light and just be like boom, 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 which is amazing. So yeah, this is definitely a good investment, and I don't really feel like it was that expensive either. So under £20 for a decent tripod does the job. Next up is something that just makes my life a little bit easier. So I have a MacBook Pro, but I do need an external hard drive to edit my videos on and keep all my Final Cut Pro files on there, just because they take up so much space. If anyone has Final Cut Pro, you know how much space it takes up on your laptop, because it like triple million backups every file. It's a pain, like it takes up so much storage. So I can't keep the files on my MacBook, I have to keep it on external hard drive, and my one has the USB-C adapter, whereas the external hard drive I have is just the normal like old school USB type. So I did have a long like adapter with like memory card slots in and USBs and everything, but it's just so long to like carry all the wires out of my laptop. Then if I budge it, it goes and unplugs from my computer. So I wanted something smaller to attach the external hard drive. So I got these little adapters. You get 3, which is amazing, because if you lose one, you're okay. And it comes in a little case, which is cool, so if you're traveling you can keep them in that. And you could also keep your memory card in this as well for storage if you're going to edit on the train or edit in a coffee shop. Bring back the coffee shops. I can't wait until the virus is gone so I can edit in Starbucks. But yeah, these were £5.91, which is amazing. So it's a USB-C to USB adapter, which is really good as well if you've got a MacBook Pro and a lot of your old gadgets are just the old USB. So super handy, just makes your life a little bit easier. Next up on the Arty front, I probably should have included this around the flowers, but it's fine. I got some paint brushes. These are art brushes, they're not like makeup brushes, but they are super fine, super thin, and they're going to help me so much when I want to do more creative looks. You get a set of 5. I'm not an artist so I can't explain the numbers, but like 3, 0, 5, 0, 2 and all that kind of thing. They were only £9. The handle's really smooth, I don't know how to explain it, but it does feel really nice and like weighted. They've got like a wider bit by the handle, I don't know, they're just really nice. And if you want to do some more arty fasty kind of looks, perfect, because they are so tiny. They're really good for using those like cake liners with as well. And I saw a makeup artist who I love on Instagram called Adele's Makeup put these on her Instagram story and I bought them. Again, I will link her Instagram in the description box below, but I got these, so look out on my Instagram coming soon for some very arty looks. Finally, we have come to the end of my humongous Amazon favourites / haul thing. This next thing is going to be difficult to show you, but it is in fact a laptop stand. Okay, this is kind of difficult to show you. So as you can see up here, it's got little holes in and you basically move it like this and just rest it. And it does feel flimsy to say, I will start that off. However, you've got to remember that your laptop will be sat on top of it on your desk, and obviously that's going to hold it in place. It's got like the kind of padding to it as well, and then rubber bottom so your laptop doesn't get too hot. But I just find that when I'm on my laptop sometimes it's too low down and I end up like hunching and I get a really sore back or sore shoulders and sore neck. So if I have it straight up to my eye line and just lifted like upright a little bit, it's just going to help me not get backache and eye ache and headaches and everything like that. And you can also obviously move it around. I had this in the garden the other day editing and it just felt super relaxed. I was in a really comfortable position. I wasn't putting any strain on my back. This was, how much were you? You were $20.99, so a little bit more expensive considering my Amazon haul already, but it's worth it. You're going to get a lot of use out of it, and you can angle it as well down the side. It's a little bit difficult to show you, but you do get the drift. And you, obviously if you have like a tablet, you could use it for that as well. Comes in a nice little case. Really like that, very happy with that. And it's also just kind of saved me from getting that backache, which if you do spend a lot of time on a computer like myself, is something that you can struggle with. And naturally, like, who sits perfectly upright like that? Because I don't. I sit like this, so I need something to try and stop me slouching so much as well. So that's been a real help in my kind of YouTube editing, Instagram, emailing vibe situation. Routine would be the right word for that. Okay, so that was everything that I've picked up via Amazon over the past few months, and everything honestly is my favourite apart from the hairspray. The hairspray's okay, but I'll link that down below. It does the job if you want a nice cheap hairspray, but everything else has been a massive help. And Amazon just sucks you in, doesn't it? Like, it has everything that can make your life easier. So I will link everything on my Amazon shop if you are interested. Let me know what kind of things help you out in your everyday routine on Amazon. I love things that just make your life that little bit easier. Let me know. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world. Honestly, it really does. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video, which is a few times a week at the moment. And thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye!